And he made himself. I made a video, but he is not letting me to show it. Hi Poonam, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Sarika.
Where
Good
are
morning,
you?
Bhabhi.
I am at home. Just I am uh, climbing stairs.
You are staring up. Ritu did not come today, na?
She was
She
in na
is feeling giddiness.
last day. हाँ.
She is feeling giddiness.
Giddiness, yes. She said, she mentioned, she texted in the group that she's feeling giddiness. That's why. What happened? My second co-sister's
Google is
father's
taking greediness.
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 Giddiness. So was admitted last night. My second co-sister's father. So we
Who?
are, and he is in coma now. छोटी वाली देवरानी जेठानी's papa.
Come again, who?
My second one co-sister, छोटी जेठानी's father was admitted.
Father.
Is he in Nagpur?
He is 80 years old. He is now in coma.
So passed away on 31st of December. So today he came back from Bhopal. So today I just went to meet
You're
him.
not audible. Poonam?
Okay. Should I rejoin?
Now you're audible.
Okay. Actually, I was telling you all that my co-sister's father ha- had passed away on 31st of December, and today she came back from uh, there. So I went to meet her. That's why I say
Okay.
I will join late. Just I came back from her house.
Hmm. My father-in-law was also passed away at 31st December 2013. That's why I don't celebrate 31st December after years. Am I audible?
Yes, you are clearly audible, Aparna.
But my no, network is not working properly. Have you sent your sentences?
Yes, I have sent it.
All are correct? All
No, one Hindi was wrong, and even I did not correct it because in the morning I had not time, so I will do it after the class.
my two sentences was wrong. Again.
Today, I
And
also
my one
made
sentence was
more
wrong. I
sentences
was taking.
in sir मन में क्वेश्चन में तो visually I made more question sentences.
Hmm. No, visually is not correct.
Mentally.
I don't have appropriate word right now.
Okay, because I also made with how and how often, but I couldn't send it.
activity. Later on, you will be free, and one homework will be given. So, because today's class is totally from my side speaking, and you will have to be listening only. So, if you feel any problem, you can interrupt immediately. Okay.
Sarika, your video is lagging. Your video is lagging. Sarika's video is
Lagging.
lagging. Huh.
See,
Okay, I'm
guys,
changing my
if
network.
you are, if I am clearly audible, it's okay. Don't bother because today you have no
No,
role.
sir. My side, you are not clearly audible. So you are not audible to me.
Actually, you joined when you were downstairs. So disconnect yourself and connect again, Poonam.
Hmm.
Voice of
Now, am I clearly audible?
your
Okay, I am also this.
No, sir. Still, you are not audible to me.
But he is audible to me. Am I audible to you all? You are.
No,
you are audible.
your voice is also chopping.
Chopping.
Problem is in your side.
Hello, check 1, 2, 3. I disconnected myself and connected again. Hello, check 1, 2, 3.
I also
Some people's
disconnected.
videos are paused. Sarika Jha left. Aparna, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Clearly audible.
Poonam, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Now you are clearly audible and also visual.
Okay. Let Sarika come back.
Poonam, visible. It is not visual.
Visible.
Visible. हाँ ये क्या कहते हैं one of my friend Neeru also she used to say that visual.
Hello, check. Sarika, am I clearly audible to you?
Yes,
Sarika is
Is
not clearly
clearly.
audible. Sarika's voice is chopping.
Yes. But Sarika, if I am clearly audible, it will do. You are not visible due to the network.
Poonam, you are not visible also.
If you are not visible, it will do. But if I am clearly audible to you,
Poonam,
guys,
for you.
should I do one more thing? I will suspend this link and I will send you a new link. What do you say? Sarika, you are audible as you are now clear, visible. Sarika is visible. But the picture is little bit lagging. It will do if I am audible.
Yes, sir. Now you are audible.
Okay, that is fine. Poonam, is it okay, Aparna?
Yes, sir. It is so.
Okay. Hmm, Sarika is invisible problem. Let's take a quick look to the past. Uh, Sarika is willing to say something. Sarika is willing to say something, but voice chopped.
Poonam, I have written one thing for you.
For me,
For
acha for
Poonam.
Poonam.
Say.
Pin Aparna. Poonam, if you want to see pin Aparna, you will see the whiteboard of Aparna. And read loudly so that we
She was lost in her past.
lost.
सर अपने अतीत में खो गई. वह
Yes.
अपने अतीत में खो गई.
Hmm. Aparna, what is the relation of this sentence with Poonam?
Just Poonam always remain, always, always was lost in her past, ना? It look like अपने अतीत में खो जाती है. She
I
is,
looks like, but I look like, but I.
she is lost in her past. वो अपने अतीत में खो जाती है. This is the passive voice, ना? She is lost.
It seems
It
she
seems
is lost in her past.
I, uh, according to my experience, I am saying, no one can judge me in short period, because people who judge me, that they said कि I don't know, they can say na कि never judge a book by its cover. People cannot judge me
by your face.
by
See,
my.
I'm just kidding. Uh, it's a part of joke,
No, no,
but
I'm
I
not
have written
saying
for
you
you.
only, because we have met only and on screen. We still we never meet each other with by face to face. So I can't. I couldn't say you. But uh,
I, I, Poonam, I have given a very beautiful sentence कि क्या आप कभी अमिताभ बच्चन से आमने सामने मिले हैं? I have given a different. Do you
Have you,
remember? Forgot.
have you ever met?
Complete.
Have you ever met with Amitabh Bachchan? Yeah, to Amitabh Bachchan.
Forgot, na? You have never used it properly.
That's why I have written this. Ki I have forgotten this one sentence. Ki she was lost in her past. Sir has given earlier. So for you, I have written over there that one day, every day I will write in the whiteboard that you can write. you can get the everyday one sentence which you
Sarika, your
haven't.
fan is visible.
Sir, which was that one I have really forgot.
What?
Amitabh Bachchan wala?
Have you ever met Amitabh Bachchan in person?
हाँ. Have you ever met अमिताभ बच्चन in person? In person यानी व्यक्तिगत रूप से.
Hmm.
When you have
Sir,
when you
now
have
I am
been.
audible, na?
Now you are audible. Now you are
Yes.
visible. So should I start?
Yes, sir, please.
जी sir.
Poonam, you have closed your window. Okay. Guys, in first phase of passive voice, you have done blackboard work or whiteboard work. It was the first phase of passive voice. पहले चरण में आपने ब्लैकबोर्ड वर्क किया या व्हाइट बोर्ड वर्क किया and in second phase I gave you a homework to make 32 sentences, right? You made, I checked them, you made some mistakes, I rectified them. It was the second phase of passive voice. And in third phase I gave you a collection of schools and colleges and competitive exams sentences. The sentences which are generally given in school exams, college exams, and competitive exams. So it was third phase. Now, today, let's talk about fourth phase. चलो आज चौथे चरण को समझते हैं. It is verbal. A little bit writing work will come at the last. So listen it carefully, and even a little bit problem you feel to listen, immediately tell me. Inform me immediately. Guys, real passive voice, let's come to real passive voice. रियल पैसिव वॉइस को मजेदार तरीके से समझने के लिए इंटरेस्टिंग वे में अगर आप समझना चाहते हैं तो शोले पिक्चर उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा टूल है. अपर्णा, हैव यू सीन शोले?
Many times, sir.
पूनम, हैव यू सीन शोले?
Yes, sir. I have seen Sholay.
सारिका, हैव यू सीन शोले?
Yes sir, I have seen Sholay many times.
Very good. Because after asking the students, I crack a joke. The guys who have not seen Sholay, please leave the class right now and go and watch Sholay first, then come to join this class. So there are very less guys who have not seen Sholay. So I have made a base of a scene of Sholay for fourth phase of passive voice or real passive voice, practical passive voice. And sometimes I joke about this कि इंग्लिश के जो लर्नेड पर्सन हैं, जिनकी बुक्स स्कूल कॉलेज में सबसे ज्यादा चलती है, उनका कहना है कि जिस वाक्य में ऑब्जेक्ट होता है उसी का पैसिव वॉइस बन सकता है, एंड दे आर रेन एंड मार्टिन. If you have heard this name, just nod your head. So, according to Rain and Martin, अगर किसी वाक्य में ऑब्जेक्ट है तभी हम उसका पैसिव वॉइस बना सकते हैं. बट आई से कि अगर किसी वाक्य में ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं भी है तो भी अपन उसका पैसिव वॉइस बना सकते हैं. इस तरह दुनिया में दो पैसिव वॉइस हो गए, एक रेन एंड मार्टिन का पैसिव वॉइस, दूसरा
आशीष सर का जा सर वाला पैसिव वॉइस.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You guys are so intelligent. Thank you. You quickly guessed. So let's start with this Atishayukti Alankar. Now let me rectify my sentence. There are two passive voice. One is bookish passive voice, which we have just gone through. Second is real passive voice, which we are just going through. तो शोले का एक दृश्य है, पूनम ध्यान देना, सारिका ध्यान देना. उस दृश्य में बसंती को वो लोग उठा के ले जाते हैं. गब्बर सिंह के आदमी बसंती को उठा के ले जाते हैं उसके अड्डे पे. उसके पीछे वीरू दौड़ता हुआ आता है घोड़े पे, टकबक 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 टक. और जैसे ही वो वहां पे पहाड़ियों में एंटर करने लगता है, उसके ऊपर दो चार डाकू कूदते हैं, उसको कब्जे में लेते हैं. और अगला दृश्य है कि धर्मेंद्र यानी वीरू इस तरह से हथकड़ियों और बेड़ियों में जकड़ा हुआ खड़ा है और गब्बर सिंह बड़ा खुश है. अब इस दृश्य को समझते हैं अच्छे से. हमने इस कहानी को अपने हिसाब से समझाने के हिसाब से थोड़ा सा हल्का सा चेंज किया है कि वीरू और जय दोनों मार धाड़ करने वाले बंदे हैं. पिक्चर के शुरू से वो मार धाड़ करते हैं और जब ट्रेन में उनको बंदी बना के ले जाता है ठाकुर, तब भी डाकू आ जाते हैं तो उसका साथ देते हैं और सारे डाकुओं को मार भगा देते हैं. तो पूरी पिक्चर में जय और वीरू डिशम 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 करते हैं, एक्शन करते हैं. लेकिन जब वीरू गब्बर सिंह के अड्डे पे पहुंचता है और हथकड़ियों और बेड़ियों में जकड़ जाता है, तो जो काम वो पूरी पिक्चर में करता आ रहा था यानी एक्टिव वॉइस में करता आ रहा था, वही कार्य उसके ऊपर होने लगता है. गब्बर सिंह के आदमी उसको मारते हैं, पीटते हैं. मतलब पूरी पिक्चर में वो मारपीट का काम करता है, लेकिन गब्बर सिंह के अड्डे पर पहुंचने के बाद वही काम उसके ऊपर होने लगता है. तो पूरी पिक्चर में जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है वीरू, वो जो काम करता है जब वो गब्बर सिंह के अड्डे पे पहुंचता है तो वो काम उसके ऊपर होने लगता है. ठीक इसी तरह रियल पैसिव वॉइस में जो सब्जेक्ट है कर्ता, पूरे समय जब वो काम करता है, पैसिव वॉइस में पहुंचने पे वही कार्य उसके ऊपर होने लगता है, वही कार्य उसके ऊपर होने लगता है, क्योंकि वो पैसिव हो जाता है, निष्क्रिय कर्ता हो जाता है. करता तो रहता है लेकिन निष्क्रिय. तो वो जो काम कर रहा था खुद, वही कार्य उसके ऊपर होने लगता है. इसलिए आज वो गाना भेज दिया था कि तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन, मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन, तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन. Aparna has seen that and responded. Sarika saw or not, I don't know. Poonam saw or not, I don't know. But later you can.
Sir, I haven't seen so far.
You can see later after the class. तो चलिए हम इस प्लॉट को लेके पूरा रियल पैसिव वॉइस इस सीन में कैद है। और इसी से हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, और जो बात मैंने समझा दी है शब्दों में, अब उसको एक वाक्य पर अप्लाई करके देखते हैं प्रैक्टिकली। तो मैं यहाँ एक वाक्य लिख रहा हूं, और मैं जो समझाने के लिए वाक्य ले रहा हूं दोस्तों, ये भले ही आपको थोड़ा सा नॉन प्रैक्टिकल लगे, लेकिन रियल पैसिव को समझने के लिए इसको स्वीकार कर लीजिएगा। पहले मैं एक हिंदी वाक्य लिखता हूँ और आपकी मदद लेता हूँ। हिंदी वाक्य है, मैं मारता हूँ। यहाँ जान से मारने की बात हो रही है। इसका इंग्लिश आप में से कोई भी बताइए, और फिर तीनों एक एक करके बोलिए।
I kill. What is the
I kill.
नहीं, कुछ नहीं, इसको बोलना बस है। पूनम बोल दो।
I kill.
सारिका।
I kill.
अब हमारे सामने एक ऐसा वाक्य है दोस्तों जिसमें ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है। अब हम आते हैं रियल पैसिव वॉइस पे। थोड़ी देर पहले चर्चा की थी कि ऐसा वाक्य जिसमें ऑब्जेक्ट ना हो उसका भी पैसिव वॉइस बन सकता है। कैसे, चलिए देखते हैं। पूनम, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट रूल ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस?
So the first rule of passive voice is we change the object into the subject.
Correct. Now there is no object in this sentence. तो यहाँ पे यही अपने आप में यहाँ पे आ गया। What is the second rule of passive voice, Sarika?
Second rule of passive voice is now we change the now we take the helping verb accordingly if it is present.
Thank you. Aparna, what is the helping verb in upper one sentence?
There is no helping verb in this sentence.
Correct. Poonam, what is the third rule of passive voice?
Third rule of passive voice is now we remember the god of be, that is be.
God of passive voice, that is be. Sarika, when Mr. B comes in present, because this sentence belongs to present, what are the forms?
When Mr. B comes in present, the forms are is am and are.
Aparna, which form should I take over here out of them?
So you should take is out of them in upper one sentence.
Poonam, which form should I take over here out of them?
Sir, here we should take am with I.
Sarika, what is the fourth rule of passive voice?
Thereafter, we change the main verb into the V3.
Aparna, what is the third form of kill? Aparna, what is the third form of kill? You are mute.
Killed is the third form of kill.
The sentence is complete. I am killed. Poonam, can you tell me the Hindi meaning of this sentence?
Sir, can I?
Okay, you can.
So, but here sentence is I am killed and I kill. I kill is मैं मारता हूँ, and Hindi meaning of I am killed is मैं मारा गया हूँ.
Yes.
But sir,
Poonam
meaning is
said,
changed
मैं
now.
मारा गया. Sarika, what do you say? Poonam, just wait.
सर मुझे मारा जाता है.
Correct. Aparna, what do you say?
आई एम किल्ड. मुझे मारा जाता है. हाँ,
वो दूसरा वाला भी बोल दो, वो भी सही है अपर्णा.
मुझे मारा गया जाता है.
मैं जो मुंह से निकल रहा था, सारिका तुमने सुना हो या पूनम ने सुना हो?
मुझे मारा गया.
अब इन्होंने क्या गलती की सारिका? ये लोग टेंस बदल रहे हैं. टेंस यहाँ पे हमें in passive voice you can change the voice of the sentence, but you cannot change the tense of the sentence. So Poonam, by mistake, Poonam is trying to change the tense of the sentence, and Aparna is also doing. अपर्णा के मुंह से मैं निकला था, तो सारिका अगर हम मैं से वाक्य शुरू करेंगे तो वो कैसे बनेगा?
मैं मारा जाता हूँ.
यस, मुझे मारा जाता है या मैं मारा जाता हूँ. अब देखिएगा दोस्तों, शिकार करने को आए थे, शिकार होके चले. Guys, actually passive voice is most advanced chapter of grammar. और जितनी भी मोस्ट एडवांस चीजें होती हैं, उनका जरा सा भी गलत प्रयोग हो जाए तो लेने के देने पड़ जाते हैं. जैसे बिजली हमारी सदी की बहुत अच्छी खोज है, पूरे घर को प्रकाशित कर देती है. दीपावली में कितना सुंदर लगता है, पार्टी में कितना सुंदर लगता है, लेकिन उसी के कटे हुए तार पे धोखे से टच हो जाए तो वो खतरनाक भी होती है. तो उसी तरह पैसिव वॉइस है, उसका अगर प्रयोग जरा सा गलत हुआ तो मैं मारता हूं की जगह मुझे मारा जाता है. तो जो कार्य ये इधर पे कर रहा था वही कार्य इसके ऊपर होने लगता है, सब्जेक्ट हो जाता है पैसिव, और क्रिया का असर उसके ऊपर होने लगता है.
Actually, that thing I was saying कि in earlier whatever we have taught in last three phases uh, means that object became passive, but the meaning was not changed actually. But in this now the meaning is changed because just
Meaning is
sir, we can
changed and
actually
sense is also
we are not
changed.
changing your tense, but meaning is changed, sir. Because we can use it in one sentence, both the sentence. Like if I am saying I learn but I am learned, मैं सिखाती हूँ लेकिन मैं सिखाई मैं सिखाती हूँ लेकिन मैं सीख गई, ऐसा हो गया ना सर एक तरह से.
इसका एक बड़ा अच्छा उदाहरण है जो कि कोटेशंस में मिलता है. लव एंड बी लव्ड, प्यार दो प्यार लो. लव एंड बी लव्ड, प्यार दो प्यार लो. वॉट एवर पूनम वॉन्टेड टू से. I said this thing, you did not notice. Guys, sometimes I have to do this kind of things to let it go. And I promised you, you will get your answers automatically on a particular time. So today, Poonam has got her answer herself automatically You are right, Poonam. This is the verb here. But it is working on the subject. Actually, whatever I said, I declared it as an adjective. It is my own concept. It is not given in any grammatical book. It is not said in any grammatical book. And Poonam must have read it properly or heard it or comprehended it properly. That's why she was not able to digest it easily. So this is verb, no doubt. This is a verb, main verb, and this is helping it. That's why it is helping verb here. But the verb is not affecting any object here because there is no object. That's why the verb is affecting the subject. क्रिया का असर कर्ता पे पड़ने लगता है, वॉइस बदल जाता है. The subject is active here. That's why this is active voice. The subject is passive here. That's why it is passive voice. And I know that Sarika is now a bit confused. Aparna is a bit confused. Now I am going to change this sentence and I am going to make a practical sentence. Then you will understand it properly that what is the use of passive. I am writing here one sentence. I am writing here down. समझा. I said clearly that this is non-practical sentence. लेकिन इससे ये समझाना चाहता था दोस्तों इस नॉन प्रैक्टिकल सेंटेंस को लेके कि पैसिव वॉइस में अगर सावधानी घटी तो तुम्हारी समझ में आ जाएगा. जबलपुरिया शब्द है. ऋतु जरूर जोर से हंसती अगर मौजूद होती कि अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आया कि क्या करना है तो आपकी समझ में आ जाएगी. This expression Aparna understands, Sarika understands. Poonam, I don't know you understand. बेटा अगर हम कर देंगे ना तो वही समझ में आ जाएगी फिर. Like this. This is a threatening way of saying something. I don't know Poonam heard this kind of sentence or not. तो बहुत ही खतरनाक स्थिति होती है. दिस इज पैसिव वॉइस. जरा सी सावधानी हटी बड़ी दुर्घटना घटी. हम फिर से कहेंगे शिकार करने को आए थे, शिकार होके चले. प्रैक्टिकल सेंटेंस देखिए, उससे आपको खुशी मिलेगी और बहुत सारे सवालों का जवाब मिलना शुरू हो जाएगा. आई की जगह हम कुछ दूसरा सब्जेक्ट ले लेते हैं. Is it visible, ladies?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Poonam, read this.
So many people.
अपर्णा यहाँ क्या लगा दे? भगवान को किस रूप में लगा दे?
So many people are.
वर्ब हम चेंज नहीं कर रहे हैं. प्रैक्टिकल बनाने के लिए थोड़ा सा ऑब्जेक्ट डालते हैं स्वादानुसार.
Stampede.
Poonam, read this.
So many people are killed in Jammu and Kashmir. Every day. So many people are killed in Jammu and Kashmir every day.
Can you translate?
बहुत से लोग प्रतिदिन बहुत से लोग जम्मू कश्मीर में मारे जाते हैं.
Sarika?
जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में प्रतिदिन बहुत से लोग मारे जाते हैं.
English, have you spoken
Repeat.
English, Sarika?
प्रत्येक हर रोज जम्मू कश्मीर में लोग मारे puppet. नहीं, अभी बनाना है। आज नहीं किया।
लेट
आज
है?
जल्दी हो गई ना क्लास, अभी के रोटी सीखना है। ऑन द अमावस्या ऑफ कार्तिक मंथ ना।
On the Amavasya of month of Kartik.
मंथ ऑफ कार्तिक, ऑन द
In the month
अमावस्या
of Kartik.